EaPEC conferences are a great opportunity for the EaPEC Connect project to support its partners so that they can showcase what they offer to the research and education community.
For us, it is very important to explain to our community, researchers, educators, to government authorities, to policymakers, importance of NREN infrastructure and services, and how it will help our research community to do their very important work.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm happy to be here. Leonie asked me to give a talk about the global network architecture, which is an endeavor that started a few years ago to redefine and interconnect on a global scale for research and education networks.
RENAM is the pan-European research and education infrastructure, and in Europe we connect 40 European NRENs. The main obstacle is the fact that many governments have not yet understood that research and education networks are an asset to their country.
So what are the current barriers facing women in IT sector?
Well, I think the IT sector is not that much different from other sectors where women face barriers. And I think all of us know many of the barriers they face. Women are still taking the majority of childcare.
It's definitely both. It's a challenge and it's an opportunity. And I really encourage all the women to take this one.
Phishing is still a quite common threat because people just click on it and think the email is real, and the other one is malware.
So this is for me an opportunity to engage with you and understand how we can help the HESO project to be more connected with the EU's agenda of the European Commission.
What I would like to recommend is that innovators and researchers have a distributed infrastructure providing different types of capabilities.
When research and education networks work together, they're able to achieve a lot of things together. Collaboration makes sure that you invest jointly into infrastructure that no one single NREN can achieve by themselves. Collaboration is key.